Have you ever pondered the notion that machines could think and write like us? Welcome to the world of generative AI, a technology that unlocks the creativity of our right brain, giving way to a realm of infinite possibilities. Generative AI is not just a concept, it's a revolution in the making. At its core, it's a technology that uses algorithms and machine learning to generate new content. It takes in data, processes it, learns from it, and then creates something new and original. It's like having a creative partner that never sleeps, constantly working to generate new ideas and content. Imagine being able to write stories, enhance art skills, and solve new problems all through the medium of AI. Picture a world where AI becomes a companion, aiding our pen and thought, becoming a catalyst for our creativity. That's the power of generative AI. It's not just about creating art or writing stories. Generative AI has far-reaching implications. It can design new products, create realistic video game environments, and even generate new scientific hypotheses. It's a tool that can help us explore the uncharted territories of our imagination. And the best part is, the technology is continuously evolving. As we feed it more data and refine the algorithms, the AI gets better at understanding and replicating human creativity. It's a continuous cycle of learning and creating, all powered by AI. In essence, with generative AI, we are stepping into a new era where our creativity and the power of AI are merging together. It's a journey of discovery and creation, a journey that holds the promise of opening new horizons and unlocking the full potential of our creativity. So that was generative AI, a blessing of technology that unlocks our creativity. It's a testament to the fact that when technology and creativity come together, the possibilities are endless. It's the dawn of a new era, an era where AI is not just a tool, but a partner in our creative ventures. Voiceover. Now let's shift gears and talk about something that makes generative AI accessible to us, Python. This popular programming language has become the go-to for many AI developers due to its simplicity and versatility. Libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, built on Python, are instrumental in creating and training generative AI models. The beauty of Python lies not just in its ease of learning, but also in its supportive community, which is always ready to assist. So, with Python in your toolkit, creating generative AI models becomes a possibility for anyone with a passion for learning.